Begin with a change in tactic for the Portland program that helps people experiencing a mental or behavioral health crisis. Mayor Keith Wilson is expanding when Portland Street Response can step in. Alma McCarty was at City Hall today as a committee discussed the changes. So, Alma, give us a sense of how that meeting went today.
Well, Christine, overall, leaders at the Committee for the Community and Public Safety Committee meetings supported expanding what PSR can do, but some are concerned about a plan to have PSR respond alongside police and other first responders, a move they worry could erode public trust in the street response program. Back in February 2021, the first Portland Street Response crew set out on their first shift.
It started as a pilot, very effective pilot, right?
And although various challenges threatened the future of PSR, supporters like Jackie Yerby stood firmly behind it, even starting a campaign to save it.
Felt like here's this very successful program that was in danger of not existing or being so kind of undermined and incapacitated that that people would wonder what the point was.
4 years on, renewed confidence in the now citywide operation, with the mayor announcing policy changes to expand the scope of Portland Street Response. On Tuesday, city councilors applauding the move.
PSR has just been so thoroughly handcuffed in previous iterations of their work that I think that these changes are the right changes at the right time.
These are things that staff has been asking for, so it's really being able to give them what they need to be able to do their jobs.
Beginning March 6th, teams can now shuttle clients to shelters, pantries, and sobering centers, can respond inside certain public places like lobbies of government buildings or stores and restaurants during business hours, and can co-respond alongside police, fire, and paramedics. That last change raised some questions.
I've heard some concerns from community as far as if I knew that there was a chance that police would come for a mental health crisis call, I wouldn't call 911 at all.
PSR's interim program manager, April Roa, explains the term co-response is a bit misleading.
What we're talking about is how can we get into the spaces where PSR needs to be to make sure that if a non-criminal outcome is possible, that we're able to help achieve that.
She explains some calls might come into dispatch as one thing, but end up warranting a different response. Like, for example, a trespassing call.
That just provides the opportunity for police to be able to call us in and, again, that warm handoff, turn over a scene test that's more appropriate to us.
Advocates for Portland Street Response want to make sure as the program expands, it's never part of homeless camp removals or transporting people against their will.
Okay, so when will people start seeing some of these changes?
Well, it's not totally clear when the public will fully see the changes in effect. PSR says they will need to train employees on how to follow the new policies. Christine?
Okay, I appreciate your reporting on this, Alma. Thank you.